Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing well. Today in this video I will show you some beautiful crochet top designs for ladies and women and girls. They are very trending in nowadays and will look so much stylish and hot at the same time. So if you're planning to do something for your wardrobe and yourself and you want to style yourself in a more stylish way, I would definitely recommend you guys to do something with crochets because they are very eco-friendly and at the same time very fashionable. Like, they are very handmade and unique. These tops are with full sleeves, so they can be trendy and stylish. By making your own crochet top, you have the freedom to follow current fashion trends or create a design that reflects your personal style. You can experiment with different colors, yarn types and stitch patterns to achieve the look you desire. Like, they are very relaxation and mindfulness. The repetitive motions of crocheting can be soothing and meditative, providing a calming effect. It can serve as a form of stress relief and a way to unwind after a long day. So full sleeve can be versatile and practical depending on the yarn chosen. They can provide warmth and coverage during cooler season or serve as a lightweight and breathable garments in warmer weather. The full sleeves offer additional comfort and protection from the elements, and they are very cost saving. Making your own crochet top can be more cost effective compared to purchasing a ready-made garment. You have control over the material you use and you can choose yarn options that fit your budget. Additionally, you can reuse leftover yarn from previous project, making the most out of your supplies, and you can contrast it with any colors. As you can see, the different designs with different shapes and buttons and ribbons and laces. So yeah, that's all. If you like the video, do subscribe the channel and share with your friends, and don't forget to press the bell icon button to get the latest update of my upcoming videos. Thank you.